Hello my dear students, welcome back to another video of class 7. Today I am going to teach science of class 7 and this is continuation of lesson number 10. Lesson number 10 is continuation ni. Lesson number in mamang lecture da koi hogre continuation. Continuation of lesson number 10. So we are going to discuss remaining 4 topics in today's lecture. So we'll start with what do we breathe out. So the first topic of today's lecture, which is the fourth topic of lesson number 10. Lesson number 10 is the fourth mari subani. Aduga ngasi wani the ahanbu topic ni, what do we breathe? What do we breathe out? When so hondo ko matam kai hondo I hai ni ko okay na gi breathing da ko na tamre air rich in oxygen jina when inhalation to loction when hondo ko matam the air rich in carbon dioxide to kidan air rich in carbon dioxide to kan sin inhale ni sin exhale ni sin inhale ni amon exhale. Inhalation to ba sor honjin ba we take in air rich in oxygen. Exhalation sor hondok pa with when pitokini air rich in we give aga air rich in carbon dioxide toki. So like this begin as page number 114. Air we inhale or exhale is a mixture of gases. See the high see when inhale together exhale together mixture of gases. So the air we inhale or exhale is a mixture of gases. We exhale a mixture of gases along with we exhale mixture of gases, not only carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide mixture of gases ni. Exhale on a mirror museum the when a ha come out of the film motion appear on the surface. I don't have the whole song to come at that gas contention carbon dioxide catanati mixture of gases ni even water vapor we are high. Page 114 the man period the presence of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhale and exhale. Here the inhale exhale. Inhale तो वो मतलब 21% oxygen है, oxygen में मतलब then 0.04% carbon dioxide. Lungs की वाली नहीं को आइस है. Exhale तो वो ना 16.4% exhale तो है oxygen. Oxygen में 21% oxygen oxygen है. बिथों की बिथों 16.4% oxygen बिथों है. Then 4.4% carbon dioxide. So you will see that there is a decrease in the percentage of oxygen which is utilized by our body, and there is an increase in the percentage of carbon dioxide which gives out during the process of respiration. And now when oxygen is percentage 100 sina respiration da pithorpa carbon dioxide to yauraga carbon dioxide ki chang carbon dioxide si hengal exhale na adu so honjin ba hondok pa si gas ama khaktang nate it's a mixture of gases. Even water vapor is also there. Breathing in other animals. Next topic is breathing in other animals. Breathing in other animals, which is the second topic of today's lecture. Atopa sa sing didi breathing kamay na tawi animals such as elephants, gumba, lion, cow, then god, frog, lizard, snake si mayam si had lungs in their chest cavities like a human being. Lungs yawi loina and human being ki type the moishu sor holi. So the question is, how the other organisms breathe? Lungs yaw the sing di hai. Lungs yaw the sing matang na si. Two examples are given. One is cockroach and other one is earthworm. Cockroach speed, then earthworm. So breathing in other animals, the lungs yaw bugai di human ka bahana re cockroach ka earthworm ka pire masi lungs yaw da bugi amoy kamane so holi habi matang cockroach la si. Cockroach. So cockroach has small openings on the sides of its body. Small opening. Small opening. Oh, masa we have small openings on the side of the body. Other insects also have similar openings. These openings are called masig aho masa si spiracles koi. Insects have a network of ear tubes called tracheae for gas extension. Insect matin sing sida ear tubes me am yawi masigi small openings sida isgia joint tong na hai bitare. Network of insect have network of ear tubes me am yawi masigi ear tubes se koina tracheae koi. For gas exchange tong na oxygen rich air rushes through spiracles into the tracheal tube. And oxygen rich air oxygen yaw air si spiracles small openings in the lani and the tube si matin manung sangi. Tracheal tube diffuse into the body tissue. Diffusion diffused into the body tissue and reaches every cell of the body. Diffuses into the body tissue that diffuse the one changrani and cell. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cell goes into the tracheal tubes and moves out through the spiracles. Oxygen rich in airs in a insect body ki matai opening that is called spiracles and with the help of ear tubes, which is called trachea, the tubes is diffused to the tissue and finally reach the cell, every cell of the body. Utilized or the oxygen utilized or the respiration lower carbon dioxide bitro carbon dioxide sinamu ear tube talani ear tube tagi spiracles tagi mapana thoki. So these air tubes or tracheae are found only in insects and not in any other group of animals. Masi tin da tangiawi hem insect tangiawi masigi air tubes sing si hagani man haisi ko. The next is earthworm. Next is earthworm. Recall from, earthworms breathe through their skins. Skin ki mating na ni mana. Insect na small opening spiracles. Small opening to every cell is ear tubes called tracheae. Earthworm then skin breathing the skin of an earthworm feels moist and slimy on touching. Moist so long. Nan long. Gases can easily pass through them. So the gases that is air rich in oxygen can be through the though frogs have a pair of lungs like human beings, they can also breathe through their skin. Frogs superior man. Frogs the lungs shiawi and the they can breathe using their lungs. They can also breathe through their skin. Skin nasu moist which is moist and slippery. Moist and slippery way. Adwang with that. motion slippery oil aduna frog ti lungs su so han bangami when they are in land le kanda ising de leiba matam dadi mo so han matam da they breathe through their skin hangoi gidi makhala ani pire lungs su skin su mo jo earthworm skin jina earthworm with the motion slippery oil having. Next topic is breathing underwater. Breathing underwater. Third topic of today's lecture, breathing underwater. Sing manung da leibagi matang dani sida nga on lore example si breathing. So breathing underwater, fish they have gills. So gills in fish help them to use oxygen dissolved in water. Gills in machine oxygen karam oxygen nungsit ki man oxygen dissolved in water. Dissolved oxygen dissolved in water. Ising de yawa oxygen madu sina bang minga gi kai mating na gills ki mating aduna ising de yawa oxygen ki chang si nem mani na nga na ising adum thaksel laga lei du oxygen ji yam phang na bani. So gills are protection of the skin. Gills help in breathing. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels for exchange of gases. Kamana no gills ina so mating pang si breathing na mating pang si kamana no hai dedi. Gills are well supplied. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels. Gills ne exchange of gas na mating pangi duga oxygen jina kai de low air digi oil ma di sing monong da leibani oxygen dissolving water, which is also called dissolved oxygen. And how, the question is how gills help in breathing. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels. Aduna gills si projection of skin ni blood vessel ga samnai aduna ngasai exchange of gas or ga blood vessel is yaw within man ko. So last topic is do plants also respire? Plant gi respire. Plants is respiration tawra. Akoina hungry living organism loinamak they need energy to survive. So in order to get energy, respiration is necessary. So plants su respiration ahing bajiba man in respiration tarongani along with the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis na magi food production ni madugi achana sungal lo matunda in order to get energy from that food, respiration is required. Living like other living organisms, plants also respire. The last topic is do plants also respire? So like other living organisms, plants also respire for their survival. And the photosynthesis, the respiration is energy from. After the preparation of food, energy is required. So in order to convert the prepared food into energy, respiration is done. And plants also respire. Plants do respiration. They also take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. In the cells, oxygen is used to break down glucose into carbon dioxide, water, and water as in other organisms. In plants, each part can independently take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide. Aduna plants si oxygen oxygen carbon dioxide pithu. Adu plants si carbon dioxide laga oxygen pithu kuduna photosynthesis ta respiration dadi oxygen loxelli carbon dioxide pithu. And water su in plants aduga magi topa mo haita unique si kaino haita gadi plants ki each part kudin leaves, roots, parts kudin can independently take in oxygen. Human didi akhoi su hormo tamna nostril, nasal cavity, lungs si khaktani atopa leite aduga pambi dadi part khuding maksi independently oxygen loction bangami. Oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. Aduna pambi ke di akoi ga khenare moi di part khuding maksi independently oxygen loction bangami carbon dioxide pithu. So example lorasi hen gyan tana, let's take an example. Leaves ka roots ka lore like that. Leaves na ngasagi tiny pores ko stomata for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Leaves na stomata gi mating with tiny pores, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Like all other living cells of the plants, the roots, leaves na stomata gi mating na exchange of gas and the roots lasi. Each part nga may having the root cell also need oxygen to generate energy. Roots adama gidi roots lebak manung dalai binina ngasagi atmosphere de gidi lawong amoy. Roots take up air from the airspace. From the airspace present between the soil. Air from the airspace present between the soil particles. Lebakta akoina thaba matamda mara chisu oxygen changi to generate energy. Masi oxygen se kai digi lawi lebak tu gi particles mayam soil du sagli particles mayam du gi marakta space lengani madu gi space to the yaupa nungsit tu man lawdis. So roots take up air from the airspace present between the soil particles. So the conclusion is all living organisms need to respire to get the energy needed for their survival. Is the conclusion si kaino haragadi all living organisms need to respire. Ahing bujiba khudima respiration thok tabi aroi kai maramgi to get the energy from nabagi damakta needed for their survival. The respiration dadi food changani oxygen changani. Aerobic oregadi anaerobic oregadi oxygen so musang dam. Without oxygen so later respiration da with oxygen so later. So all living organisms need to respire to get the energy needed for their survival. Respiration. So with this I will summarize what we have learned today. So far we have discussed that cow, buffalo, dog, lion, simyam sidi, lungs yawi, my breathing si human yamanay. Then earthworm ki koi tumara nahi nagre, skin, cockroach skin enagre, my the spiracles, trachea, my the air tubes, frog ki enagre, my breathing in matanga. Pambi ki plants also respire. Plants living organism nina they respire to get energy. Adu magi top padi kari no haragadi. Each part khuding mag independently respire to bungami. Mas the leaves ki tak hanenagre, roots ki nenagre. Then with this I will write down 2 questions for evaluation to check, which will help you to check whether you understand the topic or not. So name the respiratory organs in frog. Question number 1 is name the respiratory organs in frog. Then question number 2 is how do roots of a plant respire? How do roots of a plant, how do roots respire in short? How do roots respire? As the higher pambisi, magi part, each part can independently take up oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Leaves ka root kagi ta krabani. The roots say how do roots respire? Roots respiration combined to we. I air rich in oxygen. Oxygen to kai digilo we have. So question number 1 is name the respiratory organs in frog. Then question number 2 is how do roots respire? So respiration ki matang dangatani. So try to find the answers of these questions. You can watch this video again and again. You can listen to this lecture again and again. Surely you will find the answer. And you can take the reference of textbook also. Even you can take the reference of study material also. But it's a request to try to find the answers of evaluation question. This will help you. This question will help you to check whether you understand the topic or not. And in case if you are not able to find the answer, or if you are not clear about a particular topic, you can clarify your doubts in the Google Meet class. Khangdabu khotaba leiragadi video yengabu matung bawda khangdabu khotaba leiragadi Google Meet class ta madugi doubts singdu clarify tobu yagani. So with this, I'm signing out and I conclude my lecture. Thank you for watching. And I think with this, lesson number 10 is complete. Lesson number 10. So in the next lecture, we will take up new lesson. Thank you. Thank you for watching.